Journal entry 61. I had one trade yesterday, but no trades today because it's TGIF and the market's kind of unstable. I'll show you my tape reading today though. This is the banger trade I took yesterday, May 21st. We had a bunch of manipulation overnight. We're in a bearish trend on the higher time frame. So I was hoping for a sweep of these highs, relative equal highs to the left, and then a tap into this 30-minute/1 hour gap above, and then to take that to be respected and then can trend lower to these relative equal lows below. That's exactly what we did. We had accumulation manipulated up. I was in here until I came here, did my what I expected from the market, and then as soon as I was ready, the market just gave me this setup, and I immediately took that inverse and then had my stop loss not at the FEG because it was very tight and didn't give it a lot of room, but at the candle wick high. That's what I had. I mean, candle high, body high. And then a couple like random, I would have gone break even if I had my break even right here, but I decided, you know what, for the best, it's best to have it right here. This would have been a break even trade, and then it can trend it even lower. And then at this point I went break even just to save myself and my capital. But another huge jolt up, but it didn't go up, and then continue to trend lower to these relative equal lows on the lower time frame. These are trades that I saw but didn't end up taking. I had two. My first one was a reaction off a filled 4 hour above, and I wasn't sure whether this still counts as like a higher time frame FEG because it's already been filled and we've already reacted off it. So I kind of just tape read it how I would take this trade. Immediate inverse, but the candle was too big and I didn't want it to enter over here. So I waited for a retracement, saw the retracement, put my short position on here, or the short, what's it called? This thing, essentially. And then took the short down to these into the 30-minute gap. What I wanted from market open is a tap into this and then trending higher because I was bullish on the day, but I was temporarily bearish. Then once we tapped here, I still didn't take any trades. We tapped into a 30-minute and 15-minute below perfectly, inversed, and then just rode it to TP. We edged this final TP, so I just moved it right here once we started going down and then finally hit.